Hey there, Bravo here. Let's get your range all set up by configuring your lane bays and lanes in Bravo. It's a breeze, so let's dive right in. First up, think of lane bays as sections where your lanes are located, like indoor and outdoor bays. To set them up, head over to the right side menu, click System Configuration, and then the Range Management tab. Click Edit to enter editing mode. Then select Add in the Lane Bay tab. Give your bay a name and hit Save. Easy, right? Now let's create your lanes. Still in the Range Management tab, we're going to jump over to the Lanes tab. Choose the bay you just created from the drop-down, click Edit, and then Add. Give the lane a name like Lane 1 and hit Save. And just like that, your lanes are set. Now, let's talk minors. Click on the Minors tab and hit Edit. This will set up requirements based on your state's regulation. You can specify age limits and number of minors allowed per customer, making sure you stay compliant while keeping things simple. And that's it! Your lanes and bays are now set up and ready to go. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.